and like and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. It does help me and it does support the algorithm. Now let's get on with the video. Hi Deskers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're not a Desker, which means you're not subscribed or you've never been on my channel before, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can clearly see from the title and the thumbnail, I am going to be giving you some tips on how to be a better YouTuber. So let me just tell you my kind of like story. So I started YouTube like making videos on 2016, and that was with my mum. All my videos were in private. I was about 7 actually. 2016, yeah, I should have been 6. I probably just turned 7. Maybe August, I don't know. I love YouTube and I've always wanted to be like a YouTuber. I'm not a very big YouTuber. But I've started to get really better since I've deleted all of my like baby kind of videos. Not like baby, but you know, I never used to just cut them. Like it's hard to explain. Like I never used to just pause the video and then go into a different position. I always used to just let the video roll of me going down there. It used to be so boring. So now I'm doing it properly. I'm using thumbnails. I only started using thumbnails because I didn't post on YouTube for so long, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on with the video because these are some tips and tricks. So I know I'm not a very big YouTuber, but I do have some tips and tricks on how to be a good YouTuber. The first one is a thumbnail. Sometimes you have to verify like your YouTube account, which I haven't done. So I put my thumbnail in the video, so then I can just put it in the video. So yeah, that's my thumbnail for today. I use this app called Thumbnail Maker, and I use iMovie. It's such a life changer. I actually love iMovie so much. One thing that I'm still struggling on is music with iMovie. It's not letting me cut the guys, so actually really happened. So it's kind of hard to cut the music on iMovie. So I'm trying my hardest with the music because I haven't got it right now. That's why in all my videos I haven't got it. And also, I know you're probably wondering, and this is just a cut from the actual video. I know you're actually wondering why I'm on my bed. Maybe you're wondering, I'm not sure. It's because I feel quite unwell today. Not a lot unwell, but like my stomach hurts. I'm just like feeling comfy in my bed, which is so nice. Yeah, so yeah, guys. Some people say that funny mate's a good one, but you can't go really long with funny mate. You can't go like 8 minutes long. It's not the best thing in the world. Some people like a long YouTube video. Like most, like if you do like James has done this one where he has no cuts and no edits. It was like 50 minutes long because he done a makeup, and that's how long it took him to do his makeup. And if you done that on Funny Mate, it probably wouldn't go up to 50 minutes to an hour, no. So yeah, and also like most ASMR videos, you don't really like, or just like Roblox videos, if you're doing a roleplay, they usually last maybe like 20 minutes long. So I wouldn't recommend Funny Mate or After Effects, or good actually, but I would rather use stuff that I'm actually good at. One thing you need to get is YouTube Studios because it shows you your subscriptions and it shows you who subscribed to you and how your algorithm is doing and the videos, and that's the only place where you can actually put thumbnails on. I can do it on a computer, but on mobiles and that, it doesn't work, so I had to go on YouTube Studios to do my thumbnail. So yeah, those are some tips and tricks. I will do another video on some tips and tricks, but for now it is just that. One more thing, guys, is there's this thing called, I think it's Video Link or Video Cut. Maybe it's actually wrong. It's actually called Vlog Easy, and it cuts it for you, like all the 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 pauses in between your voice, and it's not actually good because it cuts out some of the words you want to say. Sometimes it's good because on the ads it's like amazing, but it's not like that in real life. It could be, but it doesn't really work that well for me. Like, yeah, so I guess that's the end of the video because I have literally nothing else. That's what I use at the moment. That's all I really use for the apps. But one thing you can use, guys, is, Flash is one of these running lights. You can get on eBay, Amazon. I have 2 ring lights, but sometimes they're just too big. And this one only needs battery, so it's just, I took it on the vlog today. I was a bit embarrassed. So this is it without the light, and it's actually white. You need a tripod as well because tripods look like to literally save your life. Like, so sometimes, that was my hot water bottle, sorry. Sometimes it's really hard to just hold your camera, so you need to just have a tripod to stand it up as well. And ring lights do that as well. I love ring lights. Look at this difference without. That's on first mode. A bit of a difference. A little bit of a difference. And this is like big difference. So yeah, guys, I guess that's the end of the video. I actually have nothing else to say. I might have a few things in my mind, but this video is just, I like doing little videos. I don't really do any big things. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And just before we end this video, please like and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I've lost a few subscribers over the years because I haven't been posting. But yeah. Yeah, so, maybe I need that vlog usually, that was too long. But yeah, it just really helps the algorithm for me, and that means I can post more videos and I can get more equipment to make an amazing YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Bye everyone!